Whether big or small, each Volkswagen takes around 47 hours of manufacturing time to be built from scratch. Approximately 10,000 parts go into making every model, and there are 100,000 build combinations available to order in the UK. And now I'm going to experience firsthand just what it feels like to be a Volkswagen. All the body panels are pressed by machines which bend metal into shape with a force of up to 7,700 tons. In the case of the Golf, each car starts with a right-hand rear side member. The car is given a plaque with a series of numbers which goes with it through the production process. This is essentially the car's DNA, and it contains all the information to make that particular car. Once the body is assembled, quality control experts examine the panel gaps under artificial sunlight to make sure they meet Volkswagen's exacting standards. Only perfect bodies are then sent to the paint shop for finishing. Here, each body shell is individually given 10 baths to remove every trace of lubricants, oils and greases. This ensures the metal is entirely free from impurities. The body is then covered with zinc phosphate primer because even though the steel used to make the body panels is already galvanised, it may have been scratched in the factory. Next, the car is submerged headfirst into a cathodic dip coating, where a negative current is passed through the car so the positive paint particles stick to the metal. Then, the body is dried, and the drying process starts a chemical reaction which bonds the paint to the body. Then, the body is checked and gap sealed by humans, and the underbody sprayed with PVC to protect it from stones and water. Afterwards, a filler coat is applied to fill in any blemishes and even out the surface. Humans in lint-free overalls check for and remove any irregularities, and then clean the body using emu feathers to remove any specks and dust. Then comes the base coat, which is the colour. This is applied by robots using rotary atomizers. They can even open the car's doors and spray paint into the tightest crevices. Finally, the fifth and last layer of paint, the protective clear coat, is applied. This makes the paintwork shine and ensures it retains its initial gloss for many years. The painted body is inspected in a light tunnel. This eliminates shadows and allows quality control experts to really scrutinise the finished bodywork. Once signed off, a robot seals all the car's crevices with wax, and then all the other parts of the car, such as the engine and the interior, are fitted. Finally, the grille is installed, complete with VW badge, albeit in this case, an MW badge.